All right, today we're going to test the battery on this 2023 Ford Escape with the YOUCANIC Voltcheck Pro. Dealership said that this battery needed to be replaced. Battery's 3 years old. They said it's due to be replaced because of time. Didn't really have any test results for us, just said that it's 3 years old and should be replaced. But we're going to test this battery with this tool and see if the battery's state of health and state of charge is still what it should be. So, very simple connections. Red is positive, black is negative. We're going to connect it directly to our battery. And then we're going to let the tool power up. All right, let's get in close and take a look at this screen. So we're going to go with 12-volt battery. Now let's do a fast test first. This battery is 760 cold cranking amps, so we're going to hit OK. And it just tested that battery and told us that we have a 92% state of health, and our state of charge is 81%. It's rated for 760 cold cranking amps, but it's testing at 798, which is actually pretty good. It means that the minimum rating of this battery was 760 cold cranking amps, but that the battery itself actually has a little bit more capacity than that. We're going to back up. Let's do a standard test, which is a little bit more in depth. This is an AGM winding battery. CCAs is cold cranking amps. All right, engine is off. Again, 760 cold cranking amps. All right, and there we are. So this is a more in-depth test. Battery normal at the bottom, 80% state of health, 64% state of charge, 760 rating, 748 is what it measured at. So the in-depth test tells us a little bit of a different story. But again, it's a good battery. No reason to replace this. Dealership wanted to charge us $350 to replace this battery in this 3-year-old car. Well, we just saved a little bit of money by testing it ourselves with the YOUCANIC Voltcheck Pro. Great little tool. We can use this to check our battery, our starter, and our alternator. Stay tuned for another video on how to check your alternator. Check out our other video on how to test your starter.